Good
Hindi kasi
evening,
ba
ladies
yung
and
patayan
gentlemen.
dito kaya
This
nag-emergency?
message was written by the Vice President of Operations in Triad. She said, "We will now commence the emergency broadcasting system mandated by the government. Do not panic,
Eh,
as this is only a test. Your cooperation can be helped. This is Triad, now commencing the emergency broadcast system."
The emergency broadcast system will start in 3, 2,
This warning is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of emergency alert system. The emergency and safety system requires all channels to broadcast the emergency alert system. This is only a test. All gathered information about what's currently happening will be posted in the emergency alert system. This system notification will officially conclude when the beep has triggered again. This test will run monthly on all Triad channels, including channels that are owned by the company that is a member of Triad. This message will conclude in a few moments when the third beep has been played.
Eng,
Ding!
eng.
Please wait for the upcoming. Okay, maraming salamat at finally we officially tested the EAS. So ano na gagawin natin?